This week's feast.
Benson's hot wing chili from Regular Show. Man, Benson really loves his hot wings.
He does. We've done one of his recipes. We did his microwave wings.
That's right. Actually, if you wanted to, you could just take that recipe and the chili part of this one, slam them together, and boom.
You got a hot wing chili recipe.
But,
or you could just watch the rest of this video and we'll take you all through it.
Yeah, because we are making some custom hot wings today, and this is a recipe that I'm just gonna put it out there. This could win a chili competition.
Really?
I think so.
Wow, that's a bold statement for two people who love hot things.
That's true. All right, well, let's put that theory to the test, why don't we, Ash?
Let's do it.
Benson's competing in the annual chili cook-off, but he knows he can't beat Gene's use of the Jade Phantom Pepper. So instead, he puts in a special ingredient never before seen in chili: hot wings. We get a lot of hints as to what ingredients he uses, including an entire chicken wing, bones and all, which we don't recommend actually putting in your chili. So let's take this information and cook up one of our tastiest recipes ever. Chili is one of those recipes that tastes better the longer you can cook and simmer the flavors together. So combine olive oil, garlic, diced onions, green peppers, and celery in a large pot. Stir them around, coat them with the oil, and then sprinkle your spice combination of cumin, chili powder, and cayenne pepper. Add bay leaves, mix these together until everything is coated evenly, and keep it cooking for about 5 minutes so that the veggies are fully infused with the spices. The liquid from the vegetables and oil is going to help make sure it doesn't clump together. Next, pour in your diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and chicken broth. Stir it together and cover the pot, cooking and bringing it all to a simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. While that's going, let's make some sauce for our chicken wings. Combine your favorite hot sauce with melted butter, brown sugar, and stir until it's all one unified color and consistency. When you've finished baking the chicken wings, or you can just use pre-bought hot chicken, move them to a mixing bowl and generously coat with your hot sauce. Mix it and stir together. Then, just like Benson does, use a knife to carefully debone the chicken wings and move them all into the mixture of your chili. Stir it together and blam! You've got one pot full of some of the spiciest and most delectable chili we've ever made. Just loaded with flavor top to bottom, and a special kick of spiciness thanks to those wings. Serve in a bowl and garnish with cilantro, sour cream, and of course some shredded cheese. This is the type of meal that really works great if you choose to reheat it, so serve up as many people as you can and keep some for later. As always, these episodes are made possible by the support of our wonderful patrons, and we give one of them a big shout out every single episode, so this week's recipe is dedicated to...
Who's that patron? It's Adam Gunther!
Grunthor! More like Grunt Roar, am I right?
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh-wee.
The hot wing on top. That's what I am talking about. All right, I'm gonna eat this first.
chili.
Okay.
Dude, a chunk of chicken.
Mmm. Ooh, it's spicy. Mm-mm-mm.
Oh my gosh, it really is spicy. I thought y'all were BSing.
Heck no. Hey, PG-13.
Wow.
I thought you all were talking a bunch of malarkey.
Wow, who knew putting two things together like this would be amazing? Chili and hot wings.
I can't wait to eat the chili. We have a dollop of sour cream in here as well as some cheese and cilantro.
Dude, I love this.
Mmm.
Dude,
Oh yeah.
buffalo chicken anything is in my top 5 favorite foods of all time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm a big fan of this. This has so much flavor in it and big chunks of chili as well. I don't know if you guys know this, but Ashley is a huge fan of chili. All the way back to when we make Sonic chili dogs. I think that's the first time you ever really showed your love with chili on the show.
Chili dogs in my top 5 favorite foods.
Mmm.
Wow.
I'm sweating.
It totally just combined 2 of my loves. I didn't even realize that, Wimmy.
It's so spicy, but it's so good. These little chunks of chicken
Oh my
in here
gosh,
too.
you have so many water droplets on your nose. He's hurting y'all.
I'm gonna finish this bowl. We're gonna zoom in on my face. I'm gonna show you just how wild it gets.
Wow.
Because it gets wild.
It's pretty spicy, but delicious.
It's super delicious. I'm really a big fan of this. My entire body is like, Jimmy, why are you doing this to yourself?
Wow. You're hurting bad.
I'm not hurting, it doesn't hurt. It feels so good. I'm addicted to spicy food. In the same way I'm addicted to cheese, and I'm lactose intolerant.
Right, that doesn't feel good. Oh my god, dude, you are legit sweating so much, Wim.
And just like in the show, I almost eat a bone. I'll do that.
This is an amazing thing to make right now because it's winter time. It's hot. Who doesn't want a piping hot bowl of chili? And then with the added spicy buffalo chicken in there, ooh wee! This is legit.
Hoo-wee. All right, I'm not gonna wipe it off, but I think.
We need an extreme close-up.
This happens every time I eat spicy food.
Whoa.
You can see the globulus is really down here. It's here. Ugh. I love it so much, Ashley. Hey, it's like a thumbnail right here. You got a bone too?
Mm-hmm.
Just like in the show. Don't actually put bones in there. We did those as small, I guess, surprises to ourselves because
We want it to be as accurate as possible for you
we
guys.
are punishing ourselves, that's for sure. Cheers.
Cheers
You want some?
to you, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
That was
Okay.
legit.
I love that recipe. That
was
recipe
really
is
good.
really good. And honestly, if I'm eating spicy food and I'm sweating, but I'm still eating it, it means it's a good recipe. Straight up.
Straight up.
And this had layers of sweet in there as well as hot and spicy and so many other parts.
You heard it here first, y'all.
I'm gonna be hearing it later here.
We will not be interested in hearing any of
No,
that.
the camera will be far off by that point. All right, well, we're nearing the end of the episode. You know what that means, Ashley?
That means we gotta thank our patrons.
That's right. Patreon.com/feastofiction. We're on a brand new set. They helped us make it. It was their contributions that helped us get here. And they're the ones that are helping us decide recipes every single month. I'm talking to them on Discord. We're sharing memes and jokes. I'm sweating for their sake.
Yeah.
And they're also the first to get sneak peeks at our cookbook. They're the first that will get access to, you know, maybe signed versions of it, behind the scenes information, all that good stuff. You can get a part of that too. Get in on the action.
Yep.
Sorry.
As always, leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see us make next.
And hopefully it's not too spicy, although I'm not gonna complain if it is.
Dude, you're still sweating.
I know.
Oh my gosh. This is so good, y'all. Not only was it amazing to taste and to eat, but listen, look at this man.
Look at this
He's
man.
literally giving his blood, sweat, and tears for this episode.
Definitely tears, no blood, fortunately, but
Yeah.
sweat and tears are in the mix. So, if you want to see us make something on the show, again, let us know in the comments below. Contribute to us at patreon.com/feastofiction. Oh, and follow us.
Yeah, or just
Instagram.
subscribe.
Yeah, actually, that's the easiest.
Yeah.
You know what? The thing that I would want you to do most after watching this episode is, do you know someone else that's seen regular show? Why not send them this episode and be like, hey, they made Benson's hot chili, and Jimmy sweat like a friggin', it was like a, I don't know,
What's a good act- like
a
a
cold
good-
water bottle on a hot day. The
There you go.
perspiration on the outside.
There you go.
It's just like that boy's face.
I needed it all for you guys. So thank
Well-
you so much for watching.
I did a lot for me too. It was really good. But yes, thank you so much for watching.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.